Welcome back to the Car Explorer. Today we are taking a closer look at the all-new 2026 Toyota Camper Van Motorhome, a vehicle designed to redefine the meaning of adventure, comfort, and practicality for those who want to explore the open road without sacrificing the feeling of home. Toyota has taken a bold step into the camper and motorhome market, blending their legendary reliability with a modern design that caters to travelers, families, and adventure seekers alike. On the outside, the 2026 Toyota Camper Van Motorhome carries a sleek yet purposeful design. Unlike bulky and boxy motorhomes of the past, this one combines smooth aerodynamic lines with a strong and confident stance. The large panoramic windshield improves visibility, while LED headlights and daytime running lights give it a sharp, modern look. The body design is both practical and stylish, featuring sliding doors for easy access, wide windows for natural light, and roof rails that add to its versatility. Depending on the trim level, customers can opt for features like a solar panel, roof, awnings, and smart storage compartments built seamlessly into the exterior. The overall size strikes a balance between being spacious enough for a comfortable living area while still compact enough for maneuvering through city streets or winding mountain roads. Step inside, and the interior is where the Toyota Camper Van Motorhome truly shines. Toyota has put great effort into making this van feel less like a vehicle and more like a cozy modern apartment. The cabin layout is flexible, with multiple seating and sleeping configurations that can comfortably accommodate up to 4 people. Premium materials are used throughout, with soft-touch panels, ambient lighting, and clever storage solutions that make the most of every inch of space. The kitchen area is compact but efficient, featuring a built-in stove, sink, refrigerator, and plenty of cabinet space for travel essentials. A foldable dining table allows you to enjoy meals with family or friends, while the lounge seating easily converts into a bed for overnight stays. Higher trims even include a small bathroom with a shower and toilet, making it a truly self-contained mobile home. The van is also equipped with advanced climate control, USB charging ports, wireless connectivity, and a smart infotainment system that ensures entertainment and navigation are always at your fingertips. When it comes to performance, Toyota has made sure the 2026 Camper Van Motorhome doesn't just look good but also delivers on the road. It is powered by a choice of efficient hybrid and all-electric powertrains, providing both eco-friendliness and strong performance. The hybrid option combines a fuel-efficient petrol engine with electric motors, giving it excellent range and reliability for long journeys. The all-electric variant is aimed at those who prefer sustainable travel, offering a range of around 300 miles on a single charge with the help of regenerative braking and fast charging capabilities. The ride is smooth, thanks to Toyota's advanced suspension tuning, and safety remains a top priority with features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and automatic emergency braking all standard. Despite being a motorhome, the steering feels precise, and the overall handling is comfortable, even on longer trips. Now let's talk about price. Toyota has always been known for offering value, and the 2026 Camper Van Motorhome is no exception. The base model is expected to start around $65,000, making it one of the more affordable entries in the motorhome market considering its features and Toyota's brand reputation. Mid-level trims with added features like upgraded interiors, solar roof panels, and enhanced infotainment systems will likely fall in the range of $75,000 to $85,000, while the fully equipped top-tier model with bathroom facilities, luxury finishes, and the all-electric drivetrain may reach closer to $95,000. While it is not a small investment, the value lies in the fact that you are essentially purchasing both a reliable vehicle and a comfortable living space, backed by Toyota's reputation for durability and low maintenance costs. The 2026 Toyota Camper Van Motorhome is more than just a means of travel, it is a lifestyle statement.